SendPulse Email Marketing Tool Review Usage Experience. Links to SendPulse are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover SendPulse, an all-in-one email marketing tool designed for businesses that need a simple yet powerful platform for email automation, SMS, chatbots, and push notifications. It's a great choice for small businesses, e-commerce stores, and marketers looking for a cost-effective solution with multi-channel communication. One of the standout features of SendPulse is its drag-and-drop email builder, which allows users to create professional-looking emails with ease. It offers a variety of responsive templates, ensuring that emails display correctly on all devices. If you prefer more customization, the HTML editor provides full control over design and structure. Personalization and segmentation options help tailor content based on customer data, increasing engagement and conversion rates. SendPulse's Automation 360 feature is a game changer, enabling businesses to set up automated workflows that combine email, SMS, and chatbot messaging. This is particularly useful for welcome sequences, abandoned cart recovery, and customer retention campaigns. You can create complex workflows with triggers based on user behavior, ensuring timely and relevant communication. A/B testing is available to optimize subject lines, content, and send times, helping improve open rates and engagement. List management tools make it easy to segment contacts based on demographics, purchase history, or engagement levels. Additionally, real-time analytics provide insights into key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, helping you refine your strategy for better results. SendPulse also integrates with a variety of platforms, including trusted CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and website builders, making it flexible for different business needs. Another advantage is its AI-powered chatbots, which allow businesses to automate customer interactions on Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Telegram. For businesses looking for a cost-effective, multi-channel marketing tool with strong automation capabilities, SendPulse is a solid choice. It offers a balance between ease of use and powerful features, making it ideal for marketers who want high deliverability and effective customer engagement. Check the links in the description for more details.